At exactly 3:17 a.m., my phone blasted an emergency alert. The sound was so loud it felt violent. You know that government alert tone, the one that makes your heart drop instantly. But the notification didn't say Amber Alert. It didn't say weather warning. It said, "Do not look outside." I live in a small town in Ohio. Quiet neighborhood. One streetlight. Cornfields behind the houses. I checked the alert again. No details. Just those 4 words. Do not look outside. No agency name. No county info. No explanation. At first, I thought it was just my neighbor from across the road. He was standing near his mailbox, looking down the street, completely still. No phone in his hand, no cigarette, no movement, just standing. Then another door opened, across the street, then another, then another. No one spoke, no one waved, no one asked what was going on. They just stepped outside and joined him, one by one. That's when I noticed something wrong. No crickets, no wind, no distant highway noise. Even the transformer hum from the streetlight was gone. It was the kind of silence that feels artificial, like someone muted the world. 30 seconds later, another alert, this time longer. Remain inside, lock doors, turn off exterior lights, do not look at the street. My power flickered, not fully out, just enough to make everything feel unstable. And that's when I heard it. A car door slam, slow footsteps outside. I told myself not to look. I really did. But curiosity is stronger than fear. I moved the curtain just 1 inch, just enough to see the street. All my neighbors were outside, standing in their driveways, perfectly still, facing the same direction, down the street, not talking, not moving, just standing there like they were waiting. Then, slowly, every single one of them turned their heads, at the exact same time, toward my house, toward my window, toward me, and my phone vibrated again. And that's when I noticed something worse. They weren't blinking, not one of them. Their faces were expressionless, except for one detail. They were all smiling. Not wide, not exaggerated, just slightly, like they knew something I didn't. "We told you not to look." The streetlight shut off. Complete darkness, and in the black reflection of my window, I could see someone standing behind me. But when I turned around, my house was empty. The next morning, there were no emergency alerts in the news. No reports, no warnings. I asked my neighbor about it. He smiled and said, "What alert?" And that night, at exactly 3:17 a.m., my phone vibrated again. But this time, it was silent.